because literally they're right there. You can kind of see them. If you zoom in.
Yeah.
That. Can't really see it, but you can kind of. It's also a full moon.
You see the moon?
That looks bright.
Good, right, the moon.
In the I'm looking in the camera and it looks really bright. Whoa!
It's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
What is called that?
What?
I think that's expensive. Oh, that one!
What?
Right there, a minute ago. It's
There's-
pretty.
There's a firework that's 40,000 or 60,000, I don't remember. And it's huge. You have to stand 2,000 miles away or else it'll.
Wow.
Yeah. Whoa, that is so cool. And this will be our first time celebrating. Besides firecrackers.
See, they don't buy it.
What do you mean?
That people right there just watching. We can
Are
watch
they?
now. Yeah, they're watching only. They don't need to buy.
But it's more fun when you do it yourself, especially like sparklers and that. There's one called the Ladybug. That one is loud and it hurts your ears. Even my friend is doing fireworks. She texted me.
How about right here? Like they're leaving now.
They are? Looks like they are. A lot of people will be at like other people's houses celebrating with family. Like your friend came over. I even drew something, except it's not related to 4th of July. You know what? I need to draw something. I was thinking of drawing like fireworks.
You can do that.
I think that's what I'm gonna do, because you know how I like to draw like landscaping and that. So I think that'd look cool. I also already have an idea of what I want to do.
See, look at it's nasty.
You mean the fog / smoke?
Yeah.
Oh, there was a spider on the windshield. It just flew off.
It's too hard to see.
It is?
Yeah.
Do you have your glasses on? Oh, no, you don't.
I can't do that. Because this is ready only. You see that? Because it's nasty, the place.
A dusty what?
It's dust from the smoking from the.
No, it's just smoke, not dust. Do you know what dust is? That's like fuzz or floof gathering up and then making a whole like mess that you need to sweep up or not mop, but whoa, I missed that. No, the trees are blocking the view. Darn, that would be perfect.
That there.
I couldn't get it because
Dang, got busy the road. See, that's why I don't wanna get out like this. The road's so busy. Can you go now?
Did you just say holy cow?